Hello, friends. I'm Alexius Varro, guiding you through the art of Stoic living. Today, we're diving into a profound lesson from Epictetus, a lesson about bracing ourselves for life's inevitable storms. This guidance is drawn from a captivating entry where Epictetus uses the metaphor of a storm to illustrate how to deal with turbulent emotions and situations. Hold on, unfortunate soul, see that you are not seized by them. These words from Epictetus resonate with a simple truth. When a storm of emotions hits, it's easy to feel powerless, whirled around by fear, anger, or sorrow, much like a ship caught in a tempest. But Epictetus urges us to hold our ground, to not be overwhelmed by these impressions. This struggle, he says, is a divine endeavor for royal power, for freedom, for prosperity, for tranquility. So, what does this mean for us today? Imagine you're caught in a sudden downpour. You can curse the rain, or you can pull out an umbrella or find shelter. The same applies to our emotional storms. We have the power to prepare and respond effectively if we anticipate these inner tempests. Think about the role of weather forecasting in modern life. We rely on meteorologists to predict when a storm is coming, allowing us to prepare accordingly. If we ignore these forecasts, we find ourselves defenseless against nature's fury. Similarly, if we don't prepare for the emotional storms of life, we leave ourselves vulnerable to being swept away by them. Preparation requires practice and a strategy, what I like to call emotional meteorology. This involves recognizing the signs of an impending emotional storm. Are you feeling more irritable, anxious? These are your forecasts. With these signals, start preparing. Install your emotional storm windows by practicing mindfulness, self-awareness, and rational thinking. Our emotional resilience is like those hurricane windows. Even though we can't control the storm itself, our preparation can make all the difference in how we weather it. By training ourselves to recognize and brace against these emotional upheavals, we reduce their power over us. Epictetus calls this ability a great struggle and a path to prosperity and tranquility. It's not just about surviving the storm, it's about finding a way to thrive despite it. By seeing every challenge as an opportunity for growth, we can transform our perspective and actions. For example, in my own experience, I used to get easily frustrated by setbacks at work. This frustration felt like a storm battering my mind. But once I began applying Stoic principles, I learned to see these storms as moments to practice patience and resilience. Instead of being swept away by stress, I anchored myself in rational thinking and focused on what I could control. Over time, this practice didn't just help me survive the challenges, it helped me grow through them. As we navigate through our daily lives, it's crucial to remember that storms will come. They are as inevitable as the weather, but we can decide how we prepare and how we respond. This is a great struggle, a divine endeavor, as Epictetus says, for achieving the highest forms of human existence: freedom, prosperity, and tranquility. So the next time you feel a storm brewing within, remember that you have the tools to forecast and prepare. Hold fast to your inner calm, reinforce your emotional defenses, and see each storm as a chance to bolster your resilience. Thank you for joining me today in our exploration of Stoic wisdom. If you found this discussion helpful, hit that like button and consider subscribing for more insights on living a resilient and fulfilling life. Until next time, stand firm, prepare for the storm, and thrive amidst the chaos. Remember, every challenge is a stepping stone to a stronger and wiser you. Stay strong, friends.